Hello and welcome. You're listening to AI with Shaylee, where we explore the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence and what it means for all of us. I'm your host, Shailendra Kumar, an AI practitioner and author, here to bring you news, insights, and a little bit of thoughtful fun from the world of AI. Today, I've got a story that feels like it came straight from a legal thriller, but with a 21st century AI twist. Imagine a law firm so enamored with AI tools that they decided to let ChatGPT write their legal references. Sounds efficient, right? Well, not exactly. In the January 2025 South African court case Mavundla VMEC, the legal team submitted 9 case citations. Only 2 were real. The rest? Fabrications conjured by ChatGPT's so called hallucinations. A glaring example of relying blindly on AI without double checking. Judge Elsa Maria Bezuidenhout didn't mince words. She called the move irresponsible and unprofessional and dismissed the application outright, pushing the matter for regulatory review. The message was clear. Courts have zero tolerance for AI generated fakery, especially when justice hangs in the balance. This saga isn't just a courtroom drama, it's a wake up call for the entire legal profession worldwide. AI promises incredible efficiencies, but as I always say, it's only as good as the human judgment that guides it. I was reminded of a moment early in my career when I trusted an AI tool a bit too much during a research project. The next day, I realized it had invented a statistic that sounded plausible but was completely off. That experience cemented an important lesson. AI should be a partner, not a crutch, especially in high stakes fields like law. What's fascinating and concerning is how this isn't an isolated incident. Back in 2023, a similar case, Parker v. Forsyth, highlighted these risks, but courts are now cracking down harder. Ethical guidelines, rigorous verification, and AI literacy are urgent priorities for legal education and practice. And the financial fallout? The team ended up footing the bill for court costs and delays, not a small price to pay for a lapse in integrity. So here's a bonus tip for all professionals dabbling in AI tools. Always validate AI generated content with trusted primary sources. Never assume the AI has your back just because it sounds convincing. Now, let me ask you, how comfortable are you trusting AI in critical decision making before human expertise steps in? It's a question every AI user must grapple with. To wrap up today's episode, consider this wisdom from AI pioneer Andrew Ng. AI is the new electricity. It has the potential to transform industries, but it's up to us to ensure it lights the way, not leads us astray. If you enjoyed today's show, join me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. Subscribe to AI with Shaylee for your dose of insightful AI news. I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI in law or any other industry. Drop your comments and let's get the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep AI human. This is Shailendra Kumar signing off from AI with Shaylee.